Hi guys, welcome to the channel Tamil Tradition to Marathi. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Today's recipe is chicken salna. Salna is nothing but a runny gravy. You can eat it with rice, jeera rice, biryani and parotta, chapthi, poori, everything. So let's start our cooking. Take all these spices in the wholesome. And I'm going to cook today in the pressure pan. Take 4 teaspoons of cooking oil. After the oil heats up, add all these spices and let them all cook for 2 minutes until the smell aroma comes off. And I have taken 1 onion and sliced them, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 3 green chilies. First add the green chilies, then onions. Later on add the 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. To make the gravy a little bit thicker and also to give the tanginess, I am adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes. These ingredients are masalas are good to serve for 3 to 4 peoples. While the tomatoes are cooking, let's prepare with the powders. If you noticed, our masalas are much more higher than the normal masalas we add onto the gravies. So why we are adding this much of masala is, these masalas will make the gravy a little more thicker, and the main taste and flavor which all comes from this masalas only. After the spice powders are added, see how thick the masala paste came. The oil have to separate like this. That is the indication that masalas, gravies, everything is cooked. Here I am taking 300 grams of chicken. Just coat the chicken with all the paste and masalas and cook it for at least 10 minutes in that paste itself. See now, the chickens are half cooked and the masalas are well coated on the top of the chickens. Now add 250 ml of water and check the salt level. If you want, add a little more. Allow it to boil. When it comes to this boiling point, just close the lid and cook it for 2 whistles. Let's open and see after 2 whistles. See how these oils are segregated on the top. Wow! To give it a more flavorful and tasteful, I am taking a little more coconut and this 1 pinch of stone flour, make it into a paste and add them and keep it for 1 more whistle. Just release that whistle and ta-da! The yummy chicken salna is ready. You can serve this with biryani. Add a little more pudina and serve it. The next video is going to be this parotta recipe. Thank you so much for watching my channel guys. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss the next videos. And if you like the video, share it with your friends and family guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos.